So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell product on your Instagram page so you can start making some money. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, I'm going to show you why you will need an Instagram niche page for your promotion. And second, I'm going to show you how to find a winning product for your page. And third, I'm going to show you once you have made a sale on your page, how to scale up and make even more money. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so the first step that you need to do is to build a niche page. So why a niche page? For the people that doesn't know, a niche page, it means a specific interest. For example, like my page, a basketball 545, this is an interest with basketball. So the people that love basketball, they will come to my page and they want to receive all these content, so they will follow. So this is going to be much easier to gaining followers with a niche page. So once you have built your niche page, then in the future you can start promoting product that is related to your page. For example, like my page is related to basketball. So in the future when I promote basketball product, there will be a high chance these people will purchase, so I can start making money. So this is why I will always recommend to start a niche page. And after that, when you have a niche page, you're gonna start building a store. And building a store, do not use Shopify. Do not use Shopify because Shopify only gives you 14-day free trial. And after that, you have to pay $29. And there is other platform that is better. You don't have to pay for any money and it's for free. It's for free forever. If you want to know more detail about this platform, you can check out the previous video that I made. And also, if you want to know how I build my niche page to every single day, 1,000 followers every single day, you can also check out the previous video. I will explain everything inside this video. And also, once you have built your store, do not buy any advertise on Google or on Facebook, on any of these ad platform, because you can easily to lose money. So all you need to do is drive traffic, drive people from your niche page, drive them to your store. So these people will go up to your store to check out your product that is related to your page. Then they will start buying, so you can start making money. This is the correct way. Do not buy any advertising, otherwise you can easily to lose money. Alright, so once you have built your e-commerce store, then the next step we need to do is go up to AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. You can use these two websites to find product and put on your e-commerce store and letting people to buy. So now let's jump onto my computer. I'm going to show you how to find winning product. Alright, so you can see this is AliExpress. So once you have coming into AliExpress, then the first thing that you can do is you can scroll down on the home page and you can check any product that you see on the home page that is related to your page. Remember, related to your page is really important because people follow your page is because they love the content that you provide, and that is to a specific interest. For example, my page is in the basketball niche, so I can promote any product that I see on this home page. You can see this is a basketball product and there's another one, and you can see there's a basketball bag. So I can promote all these kind of product on my store. Why? Because I'm not buying any advertise, so I won't end up losing money. I can test all these different kind of product on my page until I find a winning product. So this is really important. 99% of people fail on dropshipping is because they're losing money, because they're buying advertising and they lose money and they can't afford that, so they're gonna quit. So this is why I always recommend do not buy any advertising. Drive the traffic from your niche page then to your store, then people will start buying. All you need to do is just find the product that people love. Always trying different product once you find the product that it sells. And you can also go up to the search bar, type in the related keyword. For example, like if your page is about boxing, then you can type in boxing. Okay, so the next that you need to do is click on orders. We want to sort by orders, and you want to click on ship from United States. If your audience is from United States, then you want to ship from United States. Because the problem with AliExpress is the shipping time is taking too long. You don't want to find a product that ship over 14 days. So all you need to do is just find a product that is under 14 days. So once your customer purchase, they won't argue with your shipping time. So all you need to do is just click any product that you think is going to sell on your page. Then you're going to click on. Then you're going to click on the product, this product, the red one, and you're going to select the shipping option. And you're going to find the product that has, okay, you can see this product is only going to arrive at May 14. When I'm record this video, it start on April, so this is about a month, then that is too long. So we're going to look for another product. Okay, so I just found this product. You can see the shipping time is 4 to 13 days, so this is a good shipping time, and it's by USPS and also tracking available. So this is a good product that you can sell. So all you need to do is just take time and find the product that has a good shipping, that doesn't cost you a lot of money, and also that has a fast shipping time, so you won't get any complaint from your customer. So next website that you can do is you can go up to CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is much easier than AliExpress. So all you need to do is first you will also search on the home page and looking for the product that is related to your page, related to your niche, then you can try to sell. So once you have found one, then you're gonna click on, so for example, I'm gonna click on this product. Then you can see over here, you can choose from shipping from the US warehouse or China warehouse. And you can see from the shipping method is USPS, and it's take 3 to 7 days, and this is perfect. And also the best part with CJ Dropshipping is if the US warehouse is not available, you can also choose the China warehouse. And also what you can do is the packing message you can choose from the US. You can check over here. You can click on USPS, and it takes 7 to 15 days, and this is good. So on CJ Dropshipping, you can choose from the China warehouse, and you can use the USPS shipping method, and it's also still going to be 7 to 15 days, and it's going to good for your shipping time. So on CJ Dropshipping, you can find a product you can ship from China. It's totally fine. And also next step you're going to do is you're going to go up to Amazon and looking for the product that is similar to yours, and it's not that easy to find, because when customers go up to Amazon, if they can't find the product that you sell, then there will be a high chance they will buy from you. So that's it. So this is what I do to find a winning product on AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. Alright, so the last step that you're going to do is you're going to test out the product on your page and try which product that sells. So once you have made your first sale, then you're going to start order the product in your hand. So you can make all different kind of videos, you can create all different kind of angles and try to sell, because everything in this world right now is about media marketing. So all you need to do is filming different video about your product, and once your product going viral on social media, on Instagram, you can start generate a lot of people and start generate a lot of dollars on your page. And once you have made a lot of sales, you can start order in bulk. You can go out to CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress, contact with the seller and asking order in bulk. Then you can have less shipping time and also even cheaper price. So you can make even more money. Then you will have a real business online, making you thousands of dollars every single day. So I hope today's video helped you to make money online with your Instagram page. And if you love this kind of content, then give me a thumbs up. I'll be really appreciated. And if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. I will reply to each and every one. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. So later on in the future, when I post more video like today, you will get a notification. Alright? So I'm Johnson Learns. Thanks for watching, and be motivated yourself. Never give up.